boys and girls. Are you ready for a science experiment? Okay. Today, I call this experiment tie-dye milk. I don't really know what it's called, but that's what I'm going to call it. Okay. So you need a little bit of milk. I'm going to use a pie pan or a pie dish. You really could use any kind of little bowl. Just a little bit of soap, dish soap. A few colors of food coloring, and I grabbed a couple, but you really only need one Q-tip. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour milk into your dish, and you don't need a whole lot. You just want the bottom of your pie dish to be covered. So, yeah, perfect. And then, this is a very easy experiment. And then Mr. McD is going to try not to dye his fingers today. You're going to take 1 or 2 or 3 drops of each color and spread them out. Don't put them on top of each other. So I'm going to do all 4 colors, but I'm going to put them kind of like a clock, and kind of like my anchor colors. Well, that one spread out a little bit, but that's okay. You just don't want, you're going to spread out your colors for right now. So I did that one a little too quick. I did green a little too quick. My last one, I'll do a little farther out so they don't touch it. Okay, and then the last thing you do is you take your Q-tip and you smear it in your soap and you stick it in the center of your milk and you watch the colors. Did you see that? Isn't that cool? And then you watch them. You see them and you can gently swirl. And look what it does. I'm getting excited because I've never actually seen this in person. It's so cool. Isn't that cool? It kind of makes tie-dye. And I think if you kind of move it to get to reach the other colors. I think if you maybe do maybe another, now I'm new to this experiment, so you might have to play around with it. If you guys get different results, let me know. That was cool. We definitely had a reaction, that's for sure. I think you can play with it and kind of make it a tie-dye. But it was cool how they all went to the edge and then came to the center. But then I think once you did it, then you can start making a tie-dye. So if you want to, send me your send me a video or a picture of what your tie-dye milk starts looking like. So you definitely get a reaction at first, and then you can start playing with it to make your tie-dye. And see what it looks like at the end. That's very, very cool. This experiment, tie-dye milk, has been brought to you by the very, very mad scientist, Mr. McD.